Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kekuk Tech. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you iOS jailbreak fans out there. The Dopamine Jailbreak has just received a major upgrade, and we're here to break down all the details for you. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Introducing the brand new Dopamine Jailbreak V1.1.4 update, packed with significant fixes and enhancements that are set to take your jailbreaking experience to the next level. The jailbreak tool was developed by the Adopa 334. This latest version 1.1.4 is now live and ready for action on the official Dopamine GitHub repository. If you're not familiar, Dopamine Jailbreak offers robust support for iOS 15.0 through iOS 15.4.1, covering all A12 Plus devices, including the powerful M1 models. That means it supports for iPhone 11, iPhone 12, or iPhone 13. What's truly exciting is that Dopamine Jailbreak V1.1.4 isn't just your average jailbreak tool, it's a fully functional utility. Yes, you heard that right. You can expect seamless compatibility with tweaks, themes, and even Cilio, making your customization options virtually limitless. Now, let's take a closer look at what this update brings to the table. According to the brilliant mind behind Dopamine Jailbreak, Adopa 334, version 1.1.4 boasts a few key changes that deserve our attention. First up, a crucial fix addresses the unreliability experienced by A14 device users in the previous 1.1.3 release. This means smoother and more reliable jailbreaking for all you A14 folks out there. Another notable improvement is the smarter loading of forkfix, ensuring it kicks into action only when absolutely necessary. This strategic tweak is expected to reduce the frequency of spinlock panics, bringing it closer to the stability of pre-1.1 versions. Now, I want to emphasize that the effectiveness of this adjustment is yet to be fully confirmed, but it's a step in the right direction. While it might not be the longest changelog, there's no doubt that these fixes make a world of difference. A more stable experience and a smoother journey for our A14 friends, that's what this update brings to the forefront. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to revitalize your jailbreaking game and unlock the true potential of your iOS device with Dopamine Jailbreak V1.1.4. Don't miss out on these essential improvements that are tailored to enhance your experience. That's all for today's update on the Dopamine Jailbreak V1.1.4 release. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Kekuk Tech for more exciting tech updates, reviews, and tutorials. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech. This is Kekuk Tech, signing off.